Hello everyone, so I made a video about how to use the latest NVIDIA DLSS 4.5, and some people are facing a problem, which is they doesn't get the latest NVIDIA app, which is 11.0.6. So in this video are going to fix that. First thing you have to do here in settings about early access, make sure you check this feature, because the DLSS 4.5 is only available in this version. The other thing you have to do, restart the app. If this doesn't work, we are going to the next step. Sometimes NVIDIA app has a problem or a glitch. Does not download the latest NVIDIA driver. If you click here, it will search for the latest one and install it. If this doesn't work, we are going to the next step, is remove all the drivers. Type DDU driver. Okay, the first link, download this app. It's so easy to download, so everyone knows how to do that. Go to the DDU, extract this 7-zip, and on here, okay, choose GPU, NVIDIA, clean, and restart. This is so easy, everyone knows how to do that. After restarting the PC, go again to your browser, type NVIDIA drivers, go to the first link, here choose your GPU, GeForce, and your Windows, the language, and find. Everyone knows how to do that, but I will show. Go here, view, and just download. Super easy, so easy. After downloading that, go to your NVIDIA, click here OK. As you can see here, agree and continue. Choose the first one. All of you know how to do that. So after this, go to the NVIDIA app. Again, settings, about, make sure to check this box. Restart the NVIDIA app. Go again. I hope this will work. If this doesn't work, try to update your Windows to the latest update. That's it. I hope it will work for you. Everyone, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Put your comment down below, and thank you for watching.